dear students, I am going to explain you how to find the value of 10-20 degree into 10-70 degree. So here one thing you have to keep in mind, that 10-90 degree minus theta equals to cot theta, and 10 theta into cot theta equals to 1. Here theta is the measurement of angle. Both the angles should be equal. So 10 theta into cot theta equals to 1. So here 10-20 degree and 10-70 degree is there. So either of them, either 10-20 degree I should convert into cot 70 degree, or 10-70 degree I should convert into cot 20 degree. Any one, not both. And then only 10 theta into cot theta equals to 1 formula will be applicable here. So here 10-20 degree I am keeping constant, 10-70 I am converting. So 10-70 degree can be written as 10-90 degree minus 20 degree, because 90 minus 20 is 70, and I am converting 10-70, and now here in the place of angle theta value 70 is there. So 10-90 degree minus 20 degree will be written as cot 20 degree. Now we get 10-20 degree into cot 20 degree, and you know 10 theta into cot theta equals to 1. That's why 10-20 degree into cot 20 degree is equals to 1. Now similarly we can find sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. So any value of theta we will take and we will do the same way. Similarly you can find sec theta into cos theta, that is also 1. So, and now if it is sin 20 degree by cos 70 degree, then what we will do? Cos 70 degree I will convert into sin. So cos 70 degree will be written as cos 90 minus 20 degree, and that is equals to sin 20 degree. And so we can write here sin 20 degree by cos 70 degree equals to sin 20 degree by cos 20 degree. Both will be cancelled. 1 we will get the answer. So in multiplication form and in division form there is a little change, and we can get the answer. In both the case answer will be 1, because sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Okay, thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.